Hi everyone, so this video is going to be a room tour finally for my apartment room tour. This is the first apartment I've ever lived in. I lived in a dorm last year. I go to Florida Atlantic University. If any of you guys didn't know that, it's in Boca Raton in Florida. I think I said Boca Raton wrong. Everyone always corrects me for that. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a apartment room tour, just my room. I live in like a college apartment kind of thing. My room's pretty small. I pay a lot of money for it for no reason, but it is pretty nice. It's in a really good location. I'm moving in a couple of months because our lease ends in July, so I just wanted to film this video just for like the memes and for you guys to see, because I don't know, you guys might have been wondering what's my room looked like and stuff like that. I obviously just filmed another video that you guys have probably already seen or will see. I hope you guys enjoy this apartment or room tour for the memes and just for you guys. I don't know, you guys might have been curious. I really like these. I've always done like my rooms and stuff. I love looking back at them. So yeah, before I move out of this place, I'll show you my room. It's not as nice as it was when I first moved in because I've obviously, I don't know, lived in it for almost a whole year. So yeah, I don't know, it's not that clean, but I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, let's just get started. So this is what it looks like from like the outside looking in, I guess. Like we're gonna like lock in my door. My door has like a keypad, like I have a code and stuff because it's like a college apartment. You might not know your roommates, but dang, it just got really dark. This is what my room basically looks like, a little overview. Dang, my camera's heavier than I remember. Okay, so let's just start on this wall. This wall is my desk. All the furniture comes with the apartment, even in our living room and stuff like that. So the desk, the bed, and the dresser all came with the apartment. So this is what my desk looks like. Didn't pick it out, but yeah. I have a trash can down there from Target. There's a lot of stuff in it. I have my cords for my phone and stuff under there. And then, okay, so on my desk, I basically just have like a bunch of books that I used to read, don't really read them anymore, notebooks, and then this jewelry holder from Target that just holds all my jewelry, the headscarf, my one perfume that I always use, and stuff like that. I have a little succulent thing that my babe gave me with a picture. I forgot how I printed these out, but I basically printed out a bunch of pictures to make them look like Polaroids, but I just have a picture with my bag. And yeah, I think that's really cute. Matches my room. I have a candle from Bath & Body Works, same with the holder, my laptop, my phone, my water bottle. Okay, then I have mason jars with just literally anything that I would ever need. Like, it's just the randomest stuff, like TV remote, retainer, wrinkle release, scissors, my extra straw for my bottle right in front of it, pens, chapstick, everything. Just stuff like that. I love using mason jars to just put stuff in, and this is like my favorite part of my room. These grids are from Amazon, as well as a little thing hanging from it. You can get little attachments for it, but so I just have a bunch of pictures I printed out with clothespins and these quotes that I got from a store in where I live, Boca. And then this one, the love is in the beauty of the soul, St. Augustine. I actually got that in Jacksonville, where I'm from, so thought it was cute to put in my room here since it's where I'm from. I also randomly have my passport on this thing because I never know where to put it. And then down here is literally just like a bunch of stuff, just like from like, I don't know, sorority like photo booths to like postcard my grandma gave me to my birthday cards and stuff. Just, I don't know, I've always kept stuff like that. If you watch my room tours, like I used to have that little mailbox. I don't know, just save all that stuff all the time. And then in this little thing, I just have all my glasses, like reading glasses and sunglasses just hanging on there. A candle from Target, my thing that used to be plugged into the wall, but I had to unplug it to plug in something, so I put it up there. Another candle, a succulent from probably like TJ Maxx or something like that. Oh, and then I have this is all, well, the thing on top my mom made, but all the things under it is stuff, well, it's a card, as well as like just people I've worked with, so like Princess Polly and stuff. Just every time a brand ever like sends me like a note, I keep it. I keep literally all that stuff. I'm so weird. Moving on to my bed. Above my bed, the pom-pom things from Target. My mom actually made that shelf up there, so you can't buy that. The plant, I have no idea where that plant is in the middle. It's like a random plant. And then those two little bowls are from TJ Maxx, and they're so cute. You can also use them for like ring holders and stuff. Now for my bed. My bed's like super high, but I basically just have a black sheet. The blanket is from Society 6. The pillows, those two pillows are from TJ Maxx, the white ones. That's from Target, TJ Maxx. I want to say DJ Maxx, Home Goods, something like that. One of those. And then my bed's just like a white duvet. So love that. And then I just have blackout curtains because that window gets so bright, and yeah, when I wake up, if they're shut, it's like pitch black in my room. And then under my bed, didn't really want to show you guys this, but whatever, I have a bunch of storage under here because the bed is literally so hot. I have cleaning supplies, random stuff, and then that's all the stuff I sell on my Instagram, Buy Sid's Clothes, where it's not that messy. I just had to ship stuff out, so I threw it back in there for the sake of this video. But yeah, go to @Buy Sid's Clothes to buy my clothes. It's my favorite thing ever. I love selling my clothes. Yeah, so yeah. And then I have this huge box because I am t-shirt position for my sorority, and there are hella shirts in there, like shirts from like so many things that just people haven't picked up. Yeah, that's under my bed. Okay, I guess moving over here, it's like a random corner, but this is just like the randomest stuff. This, it says That's Hot because it's from like this Paris Hilton show that we found on like Hulu or something. I don't know if you've ever seen that like old show with her. So freaking funny, and she always says That's Hot, so I put that on there a really long time ago. This light is from Target. I barely ever turn it on, but I did for this video, and I used it for my last video. And then this little rack, I want to say it's from Target as well. Dang, my whole room is from Target. It's either from Target or like Hobby Lobby, like something like that. I used to use this as a nightstand in my room at home. Love this thing. I'm seriously never getting rid of it. I'm gonna use it as a nightstand in my next apartment, I think, because it just like holds so much. I love it. So on the top, I just have my diffuser, and then more books. And in this little basket, these baskets are like TJ Maxx, Home Goods, like stuff like that. I just have my beets, some flowers I got from my mom, I think. A headband, essential oils, phone cases, I don't know. And then in this one, I just have a bunch of candles, and then like this traveling jewelry thing. And then in this one, this is literally like my junk drawer, basically, just a bunch of junk. A teddy bear, and then some like AZD magazines down there. Then in here, another basket. This just has like a bunch of stuff that I used for recruitment, like for my bid day stuff, like fishnet leggings, bandanas. I have an FAU hat in here. It's just like random random wear stuff I wouldn't really ever use. And now for this wall, this my mom actually made. She just got letters from like Hobby Lobby or something like that. Put it on a piece of wood, stained the wood. I think it looks so awesome. She's literally awesome. And then this mirror is from IKEA. I love it. It's the $50 one. I don't know what it's called, but it's only $50. Definitely recommend it. It's amazing. It's a little bit short. If you're tall, I wouldn't recommend, but yeah. Then this basket, no clue where it's from, has another blanket from Society 6 in it. And then I got this black vase from Hobby Lobby. I think the leaves are also from Hobby Lobby as well. Just like a little fake plant kind of deal going on. My big actually gave me this, I forgot what they're called, like succulent hanging planters or something like that. And my mom actually put it in a wood box and hung it because I didn't know where I was going to hang it like from the ceiling, because she's so awesome and cool. She literally hung it inside this thing. I think it's so cute. And I just have my TV with 2 books underneath to make it less ugly. I have like an Apple TV. Now for my dresser, this came with the apartment as well. The second drawer literally will not close because it's all of my like shirts from my sorority, and I guess I have like a lot. I don't even know. I feel like I don't even wear that many, but it doesn't close because I have absolutely so many. Like it literally won't close. I think one of them's like stuck. But yeah, it's just like bras and underwear, t-shirts, all my jeans, and then my leggings and sweatpants are all in that. This is my closet. So exciting. It's not clean at all, but I'll show you anyways. So in here, basically just have a lot of things hung up. I have the shoe rack. It's kind of broken, looks really bad, but like, yeah, don't stack 2 on top of the other with a ton of shoes because it'll break. Those are just a bunch of new clothes I got that's usually not there, but I just have all my shoes and stuff like that. Up here I have my bathing suits. This has all of my like lounging around like Brandy Mellow type shorts and t-shirts I wear to sleep. And then these are a bunch of like my pants, like pants, not like denim and stuff like that. Those are a bunch of my crew necks and sweatshirts that I never wear because it's 1,000 degrees outside, so that's why they're pushed up there. Then I also have like a steamer and stuff. Then I have my hamper, and then behind it I have like beach towels and like my yoga slip mats and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Behind here is just all my bags. It's actually really annoying because it hits this wall and my like 2 doors hit each other. It's like really annoying that this here, but whatever. Yeah, so it has all my stuff. That's my everyday purse. That's my beach bag. That's my backpack for school, and I wear that backpack when I want a backpack. And then I have this calendar that I absolutely never use, and it's still on May and it's June, so yeah. Used it for the first month I got it. Don't use it anymore. Now going into my bathroom. Okay, so my bathroom, I basically just have this to hang all my, like, those are like really dirty towels that I don't use anymore that I need to clean. And then like my hair and body towel. We're really yellow on here. We're gonna make this really quick. But yeah, basically all my makeup, this is from Amazon. I had it in my dorm as well. I have an Alexa Dot, makeup brushes. Those are from Hobby Lobby, the containers. Just the randomest stuff ever. It's just like all my like skincare and all that. Hair stuff. This is so dirty down here. So dirty. Towel. Yep, that's exciting. Let's close that up. Then I have like this and stuff from Society 6. I don't know if you guys remember those videos. I do use them. Just have my toothbrush, my body, no, what is it called? It's like a bar soap for your face. And I have this over the toilet thing with toilet paper, all my hand towels, Febreze, multivitamin gummies, another plant from Target. Then I have my toilet. And then this is from, I want to say Amazon or Target, one of those. And then just a random towel that I wash my hands with sometimes. And then I have a scale. And then this is from TJ Maxx, I want to say. Yeah, I probably should have put my seat down, but whatever. Oh, and then I also have this from Society 6. So yeah. That's my bathroom. I really hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'm so glad I'm gonna have this for the memories and for you guys to watch. Yeah, if you have any other like recommendations for videos, leave them down below. I'm definitely gonna do like a vlog of my new place as well. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions of anything I showed, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.